is one person from every country on Earth. We're gonna see which country's the best.
Because I flew all of them here to compete in the most extreme version of the Olympics ever created. We have track, archery, gymnastics, soccer, and fencing. But only one country is going to walk away with this $250,000 gold medal. Are you ready for the first event? You have 30 seconds to get across these 3 hurdles that get bigger and bigger before this giant wall closes you out. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go! The first challenge of the Beast Olympics has begun.
Hurry! You gotta run faster than that!
Oh, they're sprinting. This is insanity. The wall is closing fast. You better hurry.
Oh, look at it. Bro, they're like zombies.
This is like an army of people. First place, look at first place.
Oh, he made that look easy.
You got one?
Indonesia got first place.
They're competing for this gold medal. Hurry up, the wall is closing. You gotta jump.
There's only 8 seconds left. Move. The walls are almost closed. Hurry up.
Carl, come on. You guys are all one step closer to this gold medal.
Let's go, USA! Indonesia, baby, you already know.
Oh, you can do it. I believe in you.
Oh, no.
I believe in you. Oh, Syria.
Jump.
Oh, we got first finisher.
Vote to make this event more difficult for a country of your choice. And for every vote they receive, the target gets pushed back 10 feet.
The country doesn't like Israel low-key.
A lot of people don't like him, so...
Arrest.
Who are you voting for? Indonesia?
I think Indonesia is the biggest threat.
Really?
I do like Indonesia.
Well, he hit Indonesia with the smiley face too.
I'm starting to see a theme here.
See him last round? He was crazy.
What is that?
Indonesia.
Did you draw the country?
I drew what I thought was the country.
All right, Indonesia, you got 12 votes.
Oh, God.
Hey, move that John back as far as she goes.
You were the first person to finish the first round. One of the fastest to finish the second round. You should have saw this coming.
Yeah, I know.
This is the farthest shot of the day by far.
What do you think of it?
Not far enough.
Not far enough.
I'm kidding.
Oh, my God.
Wish me luck. Wish me luck.
It was just left.
No!
At the height, just to the left.
I'm so sorry, Indonesians. I tried my best. I promise. I was too big of a threat.
It's 20 pounds. The golden laser. I can't believe this. You can probably sell this for $250,000 tomorrow.
Ya, kamu orang pertama yang finish di babak pertama. Salah satu finish tercepat di babak kedua. Harusnya udah nyangka.
Ada satu negara yang paling menonjol.
Kamu voting buat siapa?
Indonesia.
Kayaknya Indonesia ancaman paling besar.
Beneran?
Aku nggak suka Indonesia.
Jadi dia milih Indonesia dengan penuh senyuman.
Aku boleh lihat satu tema nih.
Di babak terakhir, dia gila. Apa itu?
Indonesia.
Kamu menggambar negaranya?
Aku pikir inilah negaranya.
Jauh seharusnya.
Kamu orang pertama yang finish di babak pertama. Salah satu finish tercepat di babak kedua. Harusnya udah nyangka kan?
Iya, aku tahu.
Buat sekarang, ini tembakan paling jauh hari ini. Menurut kamu gimana?
Gak jauh juga.
Nggak terlalu jauh. Astaga.
Doakan ya, doakan aku.
Enggak, terlalu kiri. Enggak. Di ketinggian itu terlalu ke kiri.
Maaf warga Indonesia, aku udah berusaha beneran. Aku dianggap berbahaya sih.